You think losing belly fat means going to the gym for 1,000 hours and eating boring food? Wrong! What if I told you that you could literally burn fat while you sleep? It sounds insane, but in this video, I'm giving you 5 foods that will help your body burn fat overnight. This is crazy! But wait, how does this even work? It's actually simple. When you're in a deep sleep, your body is already working like crazy to repair itself. And if you eat the right foods, you can literally supercharge that process. You're giving your body the ultimate cheat codes to burn fat while you rest. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. First up is a secret weapon: chia seeds and cinnamon. This stuff is insane. Chia seeds are packed with fiber that turns into a gel in your stomach, making you feel completely full. Say goodbye to wanting junk food late at night. And then you add cinnamon, which some studies suggest can help regulate blood sugar levels. Just mix 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and a half teaspoon of cinnamon in water an hour before bed. It's that easy. Food number 2 is protein. Eating a little protein snack like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or turkey before bed literally forces your body to burn more calories just to digest it. Plus, this protein helps your muscles grow and repair while you sleep. And more muscle means you burn more calories 24/7. It's a long-term hack. Some of these foods also have tryptophan, which helps you produce the hormones you need for an amazing night's sleep. And better sleep means better hormonal balance for weight management. Okay, you're going to think I'm crazy for this next one. Oatmeal! No, not for breakfast, for right before bed. Oats have this special fiber called beta-glucan that is a complete game changer for making you feel full. It basically tells your brain, stop being hungry. Not only that, oats have a little bit of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Better sleep means less of the stress hormone cortisol, which is known for telling your body to store fat. Just make sure you get the plain, unprocessed kind. No sugar. Number 4 is something you probably already have: green tea. But here's the trick. You have to drink decaf at night. Green tea is packed with these insane antioxidants called catechins, and some research suggests these things can boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat for energy while you're just lying there. Studies have even looked at how it might help target abdominal fat. Just make sure it's decaf, or you'll be staring at the ceiling all night. And the last one isn't a snack, it's for your dinner. I want you to eat more fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. This stuff is loaded with protein and amazing omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s are like a cleanup crew for your body, fighting inflammation and boosting your metabolic health. Studies suggest omega-3s can help reduce abdominal fat as part of a healthy lifestyle. Eat this for dinner, and you are setting your body up for a whole night of fat-burning success. And that's it. 5 foods backed by science to help you burn fat while you sleep. Let's recap fast. 1. Chia seeds with cinnamon, to crush your hunger and support blood sugar. 2. Protein-rich foods, to boost your metabolism and build muscle overnight. 3. Oatmeal, to keep you full and help you sleep deeper. 4. Green tea, an antioxidant cheat code to help burn more fat. 5. Fatty fish, to fight inflammation and improve your fat metabolism long-term. Add these to your night and you're literally hacking your sleep to burn fat. If you learned something insane in this video, destroy that like button and subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video. And for my next challenge to you, which one of these foods are you going to try first? Go spam the comments below and let me know.